How to fix not enough memory on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's learn some of the tips and tricks to fix the issue of not enough memory on your Windows. So for the first solution, right click on your Start button and then go to Task Manager. From this list, you can choose all the apps that is not required in the startup time and right click on it and disable it. Moving on towards the second solution, you have to click on the search button and then search for system configurations and click on it. Once the file is open, now you have to click on services. Now you have to tap on or click on hide all Microsoft packages or services. Similarly, moving to the other solution, what you have to do is right click on your start button and then go to settings. Under the system folder, you will find storage. Click on it and scroll down on storage management. There you will see the option called as clean up recommendation. Click on it. From the temporary files, you can choose the recycle bin option or other such option to clean up the memory. Now again, you can go back to the search button and this time search for MDS and it will open the Windows Memory Diagnosis. From here, you can click on Restart Now and check problems of the memory. This way, all the problems shall be detected and you will get more space or memory on your Windows. So these were some of the solutions to fix the issue. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.